Hello, I'm Julie Willis. I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning. 2018's been a terrific year. We've seen more students join with us than ever before. We've had a whole lot of new initiatives start up and we've opened new facilities. The next lab stands for New Experimental Technology Lab, and it's a digital makerspace. For students, that means that they can play with augmented and virtual reality environments, and we have a large number of 3D printers and 3D scanning technology that also allows them to move between analogue and digital ideas. It's a great privilege to work in this faculty to see all the fabulous things that are going on all of the time. So let's now share with you some of the wonderful work that we've seen in 2018 and will continue into 2019.
Well, there are really a number of strategic aims with our ever-expanding programs and event schedule. Some of those events include the Indigenous Design Symposium, which was a huge success. We had a number of exhibitions, including Australian Ugliness, as well as Perfection with the Science Gallery. And then, of course, our lecture series, including Alison Brooks and Carme Pinos, who was here as part of the M Pavilion. And of course, one of my favorites each semester is MSDX, our end-of-semester exhibition of student work. It's an incredible opportunity for our students to show what they've done each semester, and particularly for industry, to see the wonderful work of our students.
During my time at the Melbourne School of Design, I was fortunate enough to receive numerous prizes and awards. This recognition has pushed me to not only have a high standard in my studies, but also to carry that attitude into my working career, so thank you.
I work at the Melbourne Sustainable Society Institute on the Climate Reality Project, which is Al Gore's leadership initiative. Our work is all about how do you help real people, everyday people, figure out what it is that they could be doing on climate change, both in their communities and business places as well. Later this year, we're really excited because we'll be hosting Al Gore in Australia, in Brisbane, one of our big 3-day conference training events, which is our flagship program.
ACAHUTCH is one of the new research hubs in the faculty that looks at architectural history and urban and cultural heritage. So all of our activities, we have symposia and workshops, and also we're making a lot of work online and accessible. It's all really about bringing new knowledge to bear on the architecture of our cities and our buildings so that we can design for the future, bearing in mind the past.
My research focuses on tall buildings, construction history and construction innovation. Tall buildings today are at the centre of a very important debate, and my research argues that they should contribute to the civic and economic prosperity of cities, and not so much, as it often happens, to the sole benefit of wealth of private entrepreneurs.
I can recall back to when I was a student and I graduated. I think I wrote something like 79 letters to architectural companies before I got one that would take me.
He shared a lot of experiences in his projects, which gives me a lot of insight, and it is maybe the first step of my career.
So one of the things I like most about my role is the opportunity to help create prizes and awards, and these wouldn't be possible without the donations of alumni and industry. And I look forward to being part of this story with you in 2019 as we create more opportunities to recognise deserving students and excellence at the faculty.
In 2019, we celebrate 150 years of built environment education at the University of Melbourne. The campaign that will go the whole year is entitled BE 150. We will celebrate the impact ABP alumni have had on Melbourne and the world, and we will showcase the talent of our students and staff. Finally, we'll explore the contribution our community is making and will make in shaping the future of built environment professions, both locally and globally. So thank you for all your support. It's going to be an exciting year, and we really look forward to celebrating these milestones with you.